òun tún rédíò owó ti àti pé òun tún ti ẹfẹ̀ lọ́sàn án náà sùn yẹ ká jà ìlọ òun tún ẹfẹ̀ lọ́gbọ̀n ṣe.
Month.
Àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ fún oṣù kọkànlá.
Nígbàgbọ́ bá ti ń gbàdúrà lẹ́ẹ̀kan
You
yìí.
won't believe as we're praying.
Àwọn ọbẹ̀ mi bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ Egypt.
The Spirit of God was telling me
Olúwa
about
sọ pé
Egypt.
kí Egypt lọ ṣọ́ra. Number
Lord
one
said,
prophecy.
That is the first prophecy that Egypt should be very
Mi
careful.
ò kọ́lẹ̀ mo gbọ́ ńgbà tá à ń gbàdúrà.
I didn't hear, write it down. I heard.
Mo
the Holy Spirit
rí
minister to me.
mo rí nǹkan kan níbẹ̀ tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀
I've seen something is about to happen there.
ní Egypt.
In
Kí
that country,
Egypt lọ ṣọ́ra.
Egypt should be very careful.
Egypt should be very careful.
Egypt kí ẹ ṣọ́ra.
I see something strange coming
Orí
there.
kankan tó fẹ́ jálù wọn níbẹ̀.
Egypt should be very careful.
Orílẹ̀-èdè
Egypt
kó
should be
ṣọ́ra.
very careful.
Orílẹ̀-èdè Egypt kó ṣọ́ra.
Egypt should be very careful.
Orílẹ̀-èdè Egypt kó ṣọ́ra.
I see something strange from
Orí
there.
ikọ̀ àjòjì tó ṣẹlẹ̀ níbẹ̀.
Number two.
Ìkejì.
Number two yẹ kó jẹ́ number one.
The second one is supposed to be number
November
one.
is a month of harvest.
Oṣù kọkànlá ó jẹ́ oṣù ìkórè.
It's a month of harvest.
Ó jẹ́ oṣù ìkórè.
And I want you, please,
Mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ wá.
I'm begging you.
Mo ń bẹ̀ wá.
Lóṣù yìí,
This month,
àwọn ìyanu kan máa ṣẹlẹ̀.
some miracles will happen.
Gbogbo ibi tẹ́ bá ń rìn sí,
Wherever you go to,
ẹ máa gbàdúrà yìí.
make sure you
Olúwa
pray
jẹ́
this
kí
prayer.
n kórè.
Lord, let me harvest.
Jẹ́ kí n kórè.
Let me harvest.
Jẹ́ kí n kórè.
Let me harvest.
Jẹ́ kí n kórè.
Let me harvest.
Níbi tí n bá rìn sí.
Wherever I tread a
Ẹ
soul
mú
of
mi
my
kórè.
foot, let me harvest.
Genesis 8:22,
Ìwé Genesis orí kẹjọ,
2 Corinthians
ẹsẹ̀ kejìlélógún.
9:10.
Ìwé Kọ́ríńtì
So tẹ́ bá kà á.
ìkẹsàn-án.
So
orí
ayé wa
ìkẹsàn-án,
dáadáa.
ìkẹwàá. If you
Number
read it, you
three.
understand. Ìkẹta,
The Israel war
ogun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ Ísírẹ́lì
has not ended.
kò tí ì parí o.
It's still going on.
Ó sì ń tẹ̀síwájú.
The Israel war is going to take another dimension, another shape.
Ogun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ Ísírẹ́lì yóò tún gbé ọ̀nà mìíràn jọ.
As a matter of fact, mo rí pé there are some countries, I see that some countries are hidden under Palestine.
Mo rí wípé àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè kan wọ́n ti ń sá pamọ́
They
sábẹ́
want to
Palestine.
use that medium to fight Israel.
Wọ́n fẹ́ lo àkókò
So
ìkan fi dojú
it's
ìjà kọ
not
Ísírẹ́lì.
what I'm saying. Ẹ kọ́lẹ̀ dáadáa. What I'm
down.
saying is not about Israel now.
Ohun tí mò ń rí kò ń ṣe nípa Ísírẹ́lì.
It's not about Palestine
Kò
now.
ń ṣe nípa Palestine nìkan.
It's about the countries who are hidden under
Ó ní
Palestine.
fi ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè tó lọ sá pamọ́ sórílẹ̀-èdè Palestine.
Secretly, Russia is there.
Wọ́n ṣe ní ìkọ̀kọ̀ Russia wà
Iran
níbẹ̀.
is there.
Iran wà níbẹ̀.
There are many more.
Ó ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè.
But this country I'm saying,
Ṣùgbọ́n orílẹ̀-èdè tí mò ń sọ yìí
they should take care of them.
kọ́ ṣọ́ra fún wọn.
They should watch them very
Kí wọ́n
well.
wò wọ́n dáadáa.
That's number three.
Ìkẹta,
Number four,
ìkẹrin,
parents should be careful
ẹ̀yin òbí ẹ ṣọ́ra
and be sensitive.
kí ẹ sì ní ìmọ̀lára.
I see some children going down between November and December.
Mo rí àwọn ọmọ kan tí wọ́n jí gbé nínú oṣù kọkànlá sí ìkejìlá.
Àwọn kan, they want to use some of those children.
Wọ́n fẹ́ lu àwọn ọmọ yẹn.
Please, parents, be careful.
Ẹ̀yin òbí ẹ ṣọ́ra.
Wọ́n á tún sọ pé ẹnu wọn á rùn báyìí.
They will tell us our mouth is smelling.
It's alright. Parents, be careful.
Ẹ̀yin òbí ẹ ṣọ́ra.
Number what? Number four.
Ìkẹrin.
Number five,
Ìkarùn-ún.
November children.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ tó bí nínú oṣù kọkànlá.
You should pray this month.
Ẹ gbàdúrà nínú oṣù yìí.
Àwọn nǹkan kan wà tí èṣù ti pilẹ̀ lẹ̀ fún yín lóṣù yìí.
There is something that the devil has prepared for you children born in the month of November.
November children.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ oṣù kọkànlá.
Ẹ lo ohun mẹ́ta ẹ fi gbàdúrà.
Use these three things to pray.
Ẹ lo